this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own designer series paper and pick colors using the Darling Details bundle. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this card with the Darling Details bundle and how to create your own DSP design. It's really fun to do. This is the Darling Details stamp set with these lovely images, and then images you can use to fill in the outlines, some sentiments, and you get some extra dies for some frames and some edges. So it's a really fun bundle. So first I'm just gonna start with a piece of 5.5 by 3.5 basic white paper. And it's a little bit longer than I'm eventually going to need, but this will give me a little bit of breathing room. So I'm gonna start with the largest stamp in Fresh Freesia. And so that's the fill-in stamp for the largest flower. I usually start with the largest image, and I'm just going to stamp it randomly. Let's see, turn it upside down, all over this piece of paper. And then I decided to add the little spot in the middle to give it a little more definition instead of looking like a big flower blob. Now I'm gonna add the next largest image, which is this flower in Misty Moonlight. And I'm gonna start to fill in some of the white areas. That looks pretty good. Next, I'm gonna use this leaf stamp with Lost Lagoon. This is a fun color combination. And I'm going to keep filling in those white spaces and even stamping on top of some of the other images. Last but not least, I just want to add this little flower in Fresh Freesia in any remaining white areas. And then it's just fun to add like a little flower or a little splatter. Next, I have used this edgelit die to cut the edge of this Fresh Freesia piece that I'm going to layer our stamped image on, probably right about there. So this Fresh Freesia piece was 5.25 by 4. I'm just gonna trim off this edge right here. So now I'm just cutting the sides because I'm going to thread some ribbon through these little notches right here. And I don't want the card to end with one of these flowers. I need it to end with a notch so I can wrap the ribbon around the back. So now I'm going to use a light Misty Moonlight marker to color this Pool Party grosgrain ribbon. And then I'm just going to start threading it through all of the notches back and forth. So now I'm just going to stamp the flowers, the largest in Fresh Freesia, and then 2 of the smaller ones in Misty Moonlight. And then I'm going to stamp the leaves with Lost Lagoon. Now I'm going to stamp the sentiment in Misty Moonlight and add all of the flowers with dimensionals, starting with the largest flower, then the smaller flowers, and then the large leaves, and the small flowers, and then a couple of the small leaves. Then I'll just add some dimensionals to the back of the circle and attach that to the card. So lastly, I'm just going to add these tinsel gems where I got the color inspiration from, and that is my Darling Details card. You can receive this card kit for free when you purchase the bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this Darling Details card class.